How to fix UAE Pass face recognition not working. So let's get started. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable, as a weak connection can affect the app's performance. Simply swipe down the control center from the top right corner of your screen in iPhone and look for your Wi-Fi connection. Now, once done so, go back to the home screen and this time search for the App Store on your mobile device. Once you find the App Store, simply tap on it. Then, in the search address bar, type down the UAE Pass. Then make sure you are using the latest version of the app, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Once done so, go back to the home screen and try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve many temporary glitches. Now, once done so, also ensure your proper lighting. Good lighting can improve the accuracy of facial recognition, and also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app and can sometimes resolve persistent issues. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.